it's Hannah from WTI, and if you're looking for a lipstick that can go the distance, then you need to get this one by Maybelline. It is the Super Stay Matte Ink, and this is the color Globetrotter. This particular color is my favorite out of all the ones that I have, and I have at least 6 or 7 of these lipsticks. They are my number one go-to for any event, anything I'm doing where I'm going to be wearing lipstick. They last all day long. You can eat in them, drink in them. They do not come off. You're not going to leave behind lipstick on the glass, or they're not going to come off mid-meal and you have to reapply, or you have that weird circle around your mouth of a lipstick ring. This is my absolute favorite that I have ever found. It lasts so long. So if you're looking for a long wear matte lip, this is the one I recommend to everyone. And I think you are going to love it because I definitely do, but that's my point of view.